Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to flip image in Photoshop. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply go ahead and go to image over here. And now you should be able to see here image rotation. And from here, you will have an option flip canvas horizontal or flip canvas vertical. So it will be depending on you. And as you can see, we have made the changes. But now if you just want to flip a specific layer, just simply click on the specific layer that you like. And from here, just tap on your keyboard, Control T. So guys, from here, you'll be able to right click on the specific layer and you will be able to see here flip horizontal or flip vertical. So for this method, you'll be able to flip a specific layer individually, not the whole project. So for the first method, you'll be able to flip the whole project, but for the second method that I showed you, you'll be able to flip a specific object or a layer, and there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.